Hidden in the heart of Utah lies one of America's most extraordinary natural wonders. A vast inland sea, so salty, it rivals the Dead Sea. It changes color, hosts alien-like life forms, and is slowly disappearing before our eyes. This is the Great Salt Lake, a place of beauty, mystery, and urgent warning. But how did this lake come to be? Why does it look like something from another planet? And what secrets lie beneath its shimmering surface? To understand the Great Salt Lake, we have to go back. Way back. Over 30,000 years. Long before the lake we know today, there was Lake Bonneville, a massive freshwater body that once covered most of Utah, parts of Nevada, and Idaho. It was so large, it could have filled half of modern-day California. But as the Ice Age ended, temperatures rose, glaciers melted, and water began to evaporate. Over thousands of years, Bonneville shrank, leaving behind a salty remnant, the Great Salt Lake. A lake with no outlet, meaning every drop of water that enters stays, while minerals and salts are left behind. It's a world where almost nothing should survive. Yet, life thrives. Tiny creatures known as brine shrimp fill the lake, feeding millions of migratory birds each year. In summer, microorganisms called halophiles turn parts of the lake bright pink or deep red, painting surreal landscapes seen even from space. This bizarre split is created by a railroad causeway, dividing the lake into two very different worlds, one side salty, the other hypersaline. It's a natural laboratory, a glimpse into what life might look like on Mars. The chemistry of the Great Salt Lake is similar to what scientists expect in ancient Martian lakes. Studying it gives clues about life beyond Earth. But beyond science, the Great Salt Lake hides legends and unexplained phenomena. Locals once told stories of a mysterious sea monster, first reported in the 1800s, described as a creature with a head like a horse and a body as long as a whale. While modern science dismisses these tales, some believe the monster sightings were due to mirages, drifting logs, or imagination fueled by isolation. Then there's the mystery of the spiral jetty, a giant earthwork sculpture built in 1970 that often disappears beneath the lake's surface. Each year, it reemerges coated in salt, glistening under the sun, a symbol of time, art, and nature. And perhaps the strangest mystery of all, the disappearing lake itself. In recent decades, the Great Salt Lake has been shrinking faster than ever before. Since the 1980s, the lake has lost nearly 2/3 of its volume due to water diversion, drought, and climate change. As the lake dries, toxic dust from its exposed bed threatens nearby communities, including Salt Lake City. Once a symbol of life in the desert, it's now a warning of what happens when nature's balance is broken. But there's still hope. Scientists, activists, and locals are fighting to restore the water, protect the wildlife, and preserve the soul of Utah. For centuries, the Great Salt Lake has inspired myth, faith, and art. To the Shoshone and Ute tribes, the lake was sacred, a place of spiritual reflection, abundance, and respect. Today, it continues to draw photographers, scientists, and dreamers, all captivated by its strange beauty. Some come seeking answers, others peace. And in its mirror-like surface, they find both. The Great Salt Lake is more than a body of water. It's a story of time, transformation, and resilience. As it rises and falls, it reflects not only the changing earth, but the choices we make. And if we listen, if we learn, perhaps this ancient lake will continue to whisper its secrets to future generations. Protect what remains. The story of the Great Salt Lake is not over.